if till 2014 the UPA was in power, why was that time period not being questioned? And what does elections have to do with investigations that have been going on, court dates of cases that have been going on? They come before elections and suddenly the opposition is up in arms.
देखिए, पहली बात तो ये मैं बताना चाहता हूँ, अनमोल जी ने जो वीडियो एविडेंस लाए, शहजाद जी लाए, टू आस्क अ पॉलिटिशियन about what he or she said months or possibly even weeks ago is it's a chase that is not worth conducting, for the simple reason that when Anmol ji says that is Nitish corrupt or not, and Shehzad says he's not been convicted, by that logic Shehzad or anybody else cannot say whether Arvind Kejriwal is corrupt or not.
That's it.
So, do you think Arvind Kejriwal is corrupt?
I'll answer this.
Now, what I mean to say is BJP, not just you, I'm saying everyone, BJP, Congress is saying Kejriwal is corrupt, he is also not being convicted. अब जैसे आप कह रहे हैं सत्याद जी कि नीतीश जी पे कोई एलिगेशन नहीं लगी, आपके जो अभी पार्टनर हैं और जो अभी पार्टनर नहीं हैं, बादशाह जी, सृजन स्कैम आप जानते हैं, 1000 करोड़ का स्कैम है।
उस स्कैम के बारे में मैं एक्सप्लेन करूं कि नीतीश कुमार himself, no, hold on, Nitish Kumar himself ordered CBI inquiry, and it is the first scam of India in which the money has been recovered. It was between a Bank of Baroda and some local people who used to make a false check and get withdrawn. This was the case. It was not against Nitish Kumar. No court of India, no, that point of time UPA was in power. Why UPA never, made any allegation against of Nitish Kumar?
I challenge it.
In India, Nitish Kumar is the most political
biggest
agency has made any allegation against
all right. Allow me 1 minute. I'm not going to be able to conduct a debate if
gave you
okay, got the point. What's your moot point? What's your moot point?
Srijan scam in jail, all accused.
Okay, but what's your next? What's your basic?
Let me ask my biggest adversary.
Yes.
Did I say anything wrong?
Absolutely.
And now let me finish.
For a change, I agree with you. And I clap for you also.
Just so
बहुत बढ़िया बोले.
Because you got a.
No, because he showed you the mirror.
Nitish Kumar
And he showed the BJP the mirror.
No, your party never dared to make any allegation against Nitish Kumar. Okay, come on. You people have been thrown out on the street when Lalu was in power. You don't have even the Ask A.V. Vardhan. You people have never been allowed to walk on the street, never been allowed to protest against Lalu Yadav when he was in power. Your democratic rights were just hoarded up by the Lalu government. You don't know anything. Mr. Vivek, you don't know anything.
I'm coming one by one.
Let me speak. It's my chance. So let me speak. 20 seconds.
Now,
20 seconds. Then
I'm only giving him 30 seconds, and then you have to respond to all the questions.
My allegation.
never will.
Do you think Lalu Yadav?
No. Hold on. It's my chance. It's my chance.
Satya Prakash.
Let me speak.
Yes.
जब सत्ता में आना था, सरकार बनानी थी और उधर से पलट के इधर आए तो मैंने बोलने दीजिए 30 सेकंड दे रहे हैं.
हमने
डरिए मत, मेरी आवाज से डरिए मत.
बनाई.
सुनिए पहले
पर बनाई. आप हमारा साथ आए थे, हमारे मूल्यों पर आए थे, आपके मूल्यों पर झुके नहीं. नीतीश कुमार भ्रष्टाचार, करप्शन, कम्युनलाइजेशन, इन चीजों पर समझौता नहीं करते. शासन मंत्र है, उस पर चलते हैं.
Satya Prakash ji. Now Satya Prakash ji, now you have to calm down. You have to calm down. Complete your question to the ruling party.
डर के मारे मेरी आवाज से डर के चीखे ना. सुने, आप आए हमारी तरफ या हम आए आपकी तरफ. रुक जाइए जरा आप. और एक सरकार बनाई गई.
रुक जाइए.
अब बोलने दीजिए मुझको. अब बोलने दो भाई. उत्तर नहीं है, सीधा बोलो. You supported Lalu Yadav. You were with
All right. One minute.
And Lalu Yadav.
1 minute.
Lalu Yadav was the supporter of social justice. उन्होंने रथ यात्रा में आडवाणी को जेल में डाला. तो फिर वेंडेटा लिया.
So
he is the champion of social justice. And I stand by it.
Chara Ghotala mein was he convicted? Yes or no? Yes or no? No. Was he convicted in the fodder scam? Yes or no?
He was framed by a conspiracy of some.
By whom? By the Congress party. party, by the Congress party. You know, he was. Okay, all right.
I have all the morality.
Vivek, I request, please, I request everybody.
Silence. Silence.
No, this is not fair. This is not
No, please wait.
Just now, Vivek was extolling the points made by Rahul Gandhi on the vendetta politics, correct? You're right?
Yes.
So Rahul Gandhi is by and large correct, right?
Yes.
Rahul Gandhi, why is Vijay not in jail?
Yeah, that's a selective statement.
It's
of
a
his.
selective hai. So he's selective, they're not here. Okay. Sir, I have not interrupted. Secondly, Rahul Gandhi, you have just now said that...
Vijay or Vivek?
No,
Vijayan.
Vijayan has said.
मुझे मत देना,
Secondly, he has said that Samajik Nyay ke Puroda, which you have repeated, that Laluji's Samajik Nyay
Yes,
ke Puroda.
yes.
Just few days ago, Mr. Tejasvi Yadav said Shahabuddin Amar Rahe. You know, one of the victims of Shahabuddin was CPI-ML leader, Mr. Chotelal Gupta. He was killed and brutally murdered, and it was his first or second conviction.
Yes, I know.
हाँ,
I
so
know.
Shahabuddin Amar Rahe,
Yes.
left कार्यकर्ता को मारने
हाँ, मैं
वाला.
जानता
ठीक है.
हूँ.
Thirdly, there is a leader of the RJD
यादव भी बोल
MLA.
दो.
I don't want to play a statement who said भूरा बाल साफ करने का मतलब भूरा means the भूमियार राजपूत अगड़ा बाल means it means Brahman and it means लाला. ये झूठ क्या है? Video है. I'm not playing it because it is a very communal video. It has been put out in the
Okay,
public domain.
we are on corruption. We are on corruption.
Lastly, I'm saying that there is one more gentleman, and that gentleman has said something very important, and I think that deserves to be heard. Please hear.
वाड्रा की तरफ नरेंद्र मोदी उंगली उठा के दिखा दे, मान जाऊंगा नरेंद्र मोदी में 56 इंच का सीना है।
आज है 56 इंच का सीना?
11 साल नहीं
56 इंच. अच्छा.
11 साल तेल निकाला, 56 इंच का सीना नहीं है, ये भी साबित हो गया।
जानते ना, अनमोल,
Who stopped you?
on this point.
Who stopped you?
On this point.
Who stopped you? Why no trial? Why no charge sheet?
Vivek Srivastava.
Despite clinching evidence, why no trial?
Anmol Pawar, 1 minute.
There is, yeah.
Vivek Srivastava.
Yes.
Vivek Srivastava.
Yes, yes.
You're talking about Lalu Prasad
Yes.
Yadav. Let's discuss Lalu Prasad Yadav
Yes,
first.
yes.
My question is
Yes.
based on
Yes.
courts. Courts have convicted him.
Yes.
Is he Bhagat Singh?
No, I mean, see.
Is he Bhagat Singh?
No.
Yes or no? Yes or
The
no?
way he was
Is
struggling,
he-
the pain in the jail that he was undergoing, the tortures by these governments
Yeah, this is-
of the India later on, सिर्फ
this
उस
is
context में बोला गया था. He is not Bhagat Singh. उस context में बोला गया था. Clarification.
Now,
Why was he victimized?
Now, one
Yes.
case came up in the Supreme Court
Yes,
this morning.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
In that case,
Yes.
the Supreme Court said no quashing. Let the trial go
Yes,
on.
okay.
That Supreme Court was
Yes.
looking at elections and called the case today. Was
No,
the-
no.
So-
You have to understand.
so
one
I
thing.
rest my
Let me,
case.
No.
I
no,
rest
sir,
my case.
Let me speak. Let me counter it.
कौन सा?
Today, Lalu Yadav is the biggest enemy of the BJP because of Bihar elections. Number one. Number two.
So Supreme Court is
Number
playing-
two, हमारा मानना है.
Supreme Court is
Absolutely.
playing
No.
the BJP's game.
No. Number two, if Lalu Yadav was not there, बिहार के अंदर जो बाबू साहब जो राजपूत और जो कायस्थ और जो ब्राह्मण और जो अपर कास्ट हैं, उनसे नजर मिला करके कोई बैकवर्ड बात नहीं कर सकता था.
आप ये
और रथ यात्रा जो लालू यादव ने रोकी और आडवाणी को हाउस अरेस्ट किया.
1 minute.
आपने नहीं किया था. आप नहीं थे आडवाणी को जेल भेजने वाले जब वो सामाजिक
Vivek Srivastava, 1 minute, Satya Prakash ji.
Yes.
We are not on an election rally.
Yes.
We are discussing corruption here.
Yes.
On corruption, I asked you questions, and on corruption, the
Yes.
Supreme Court. मैं आपसे आलम साहब पूछना चाहती हूँ. अब
नहीं,
ये
आप आनंद रंगनाथन से पूछिए, डिटेल दें अजीत पवार के केसेस के, हेमंत बिस्वा शर्मा के
विवेक
केसेस के डिटेल, शहजाद पूनावाला दें यहाँ पर.
विवेक-
दे मेरे को अभी ये.
विवेक श्रीवास्तव-
उसको कोई नहीं डिस्कस करता. क्योंकि सत्ताधारी पार्टी के
विवेक
साथ है.
श्रीवास्तव जी, आप तय करेंगे कि मैं क्या बोलूँ?
नहीं, मेरा राइट है.
नहीं,
ये मेरा राइट
आप
है.
तय नहीं करेंगे.
रूलिंग पार्टी के अलाइंस से करप्शन को डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे यहाँ पर.
मैं विपक्षी दलों
सिर्फ
को
लालू
बोलने
यादव
को
को
मौका
किया
दे
जाएगा.
रही हूँ, ये नहीं मौका दे रहे. मैं आपसे पूछ रही हूँ,
मैं-
यू सेड इलेक्शंस का टाइम है इसीलिए ये हो रहा है. सुप्रीम कोर्ट इलेक्शन देख के सुन रही है केस.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट इलेक्शन देख के ही तो केस सुन रही है.
अच्छा,
बिल्कुल मैं कह रहा हूँ.
Are you alleging the judges are now-
सुप्रीम कोर्ट भी आजकल जो है दबाव में महसूस कर रही है पब्लिक.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट
आप मेरा वर्जन तो जाने दो भाई साहब.
इलेक्शन देखकर हियरिंग कर
आप
रही है.
मेरा वर्जन तो जाने दो.
गए थे सुप्रीम कोर्ट, इलेक्शन देखकर गए थे, क्या देखकर
भाई सुप्रीम
सपनाया था लालू जी
सुप्रीम
को?
कोर्ट में जब मामला गया है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट गया है,
राहत
तो
नहीं
सुप्रीम
मिले
कोर्ट
तो
ने क्या
इलेक्शन देख
डिसीजन
के
दे दिया
फैसला,
क्या?
राहत मिल जाए तो फिर कुछ और
कोर्ट
बात
ने
है.
कोई डिसीजन नहीं दिया.
मुझे एक बात बोलिए.
महाराष्ट्र 50 चीफ मिनिस्टर
आज इन
सरकार के खिलाफ
बिहार के
क्या क्या केसेस हैं बताओ मुझको।
मैं बता रहा हूँ।
बताओ का स्कैम है बताओ।
मैं बताता हूँ, रुको।
विवेक श्रीवास्तव जी,
मुझे बोलने देना बिहार से।
सत्ताधारी अगर है तो